Do you want the plug on the best visual design, photo, and video editing tools that can help you to grow your online presence this year? Stick around to hear some of my favorite tools that I utilize and love when creating content for growing my online presence. So let's dive right into it. So one of my first tools, and I'm not even gonna go around the bush with this one, it's Canva. So I absolutely love Canva. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I speak Canva, right? But really, Canva is one of those great visual designing tools that you can utilize that will help you to grow your online presence. It's perfect for any content creator or entrepreneur who have little to no graphic designing skills. And even some of the best graphic designers are also utilizing Canva. So you can just imagine how great of a tool it is, right? So with Canva, you can create your designs from scratch, or if you want, you can utilize pre-made templates. With these pre-made templates, it helps you to save a lot of time. And we know as entrepreneurs, we don't have all the time in the world. We're busy, we're thinking about generating revenue and that kind of thing. And so with tools like Canva, it helps you to save a lot of time with pre-made templates. I also create and sell pre-made templates for entrepreneurs who are busy and overwhelmed. And so with these templates, it saves you, like I said it, a ton of time. Right? So you can utilize Canva to create your content for any platform of your choice, right? So whether it's for your social media platform, whether it's for your blog, whether it's for your website, whichever online platform you can think about, Canva is the number one go-to tool for visual design. 2, InShot. So InShot is a video editing tool and I absolutely love it, right? So it's one of those tools that's free, but it also has premium versions that will help to upgrade your video editing skills, right? So if you're just starting out, you don't have all the best, what I would say, skills or the best skills in the world in terms of video editing, InShot is the go-to. So when I just started out on YouTube or started getting into video editing, it was InShot for me, and it's available on your mobile device. So with this tool, you can just easily drag and drop your videos, start editing. You can use transition tools. You can add little stickers. So like if you want a text overlay like this, then you can do it with InShot. If you go on my channel, there are a lot of previous videos that I edited using InShot. And trust me when I said it did the job. And I even use it now and then, and it is doing the job. I also utilize it to edit a lot of my reels. So my Instagram reels, my TikTok videos, it is InShot that I utilize to help me to edit my videos. It's really good, guys. You need to check it out. Another tool that I utilize and I recently started getting into is CapCut. Now, CapCut is one of those tools that a lot of people rave about. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to use the tool to its full extent, but for what I am doing right now, it is really good. One of the favorite things I love about CapCut is that it's able to do auto captions. So like this, yeah. So pretty much auto captions is a thing. It helps to, bring about more inclusion. So I can just have captions on my screen. So whether you turn off the audio on this, you can still read the captions and get a general idea of what I am saying. And CapCut is really good for things like that. I absolutely love that feature. I know there are other tools that have that feature, but for CapCut, that's one of the favorite things for me. And it's available on your mobile device and also on desktop. Now that's like a game changer for me. I love a tool that I can use on my mobile and also on my desktop, and CapCut is that for me, right? Another tool that I utilize is Filmora. So Filmora is pretty great for video editing. Again, it has all the features for that is similar in InShot and CapCut. It's available on mobile device and also desktop device. It's a little bit more advanced, but it's also very user-friendly. So if you're also new to video editing in terms of editing videos for your YouTube or your social media platform, whether it's your Instagram or whichever platform, it is pretty good for that, right? And it also includes features like, you can create your opening header, you can create your transitions, you can do your auto captions, you can do stylized effects. It's perfect in so many ways. I mean, the features are endless. I am using it and I feel like I'm still not using it or utilizing it to its full extent, but Filmora is pretty great. There's a basic version, there's a greater version, which is the premium version or upgraded version that you can utilize. And if you want to try out these tools, you can click the links in my description. But when I talk about Filmora, what I absolutely loved about it was when I got very overwhelmed with like creating all the videos on my mobile, I started using Filmora. And as I said, it was because of its easy to use, user-friendly platform that made me utilize the tool, right? So it was just easy to navigate. I didn't have all of those advanced skills in video editing. I still don't, but it makes me feel so comfortable and confident when I'm creating and editing my videos in Filmora. So you want to check that out. Another tool that I love, it's more of a video, or not video, but photo editing tool, is Vasco. So Vasco is one of those OGs photo editing tools. I remember using it back in like 2017. That was when I was really using that tool, and it was really good for like editing my photos, giving it like a nice effect on my tools. So if I wanted to add a little grain over my photo or just make it really unique and help me to stand out online, that tool was just perfect for that. It has a paid version and it also has a free version. And what I'm realizing with a lot of these tools, it makes a lot of sense to upgrade to the paid version, because here's what you get: so much more. You have so much more flexibility, and Visco is one of those tools that I would suggest, like, hey, just spend the extra money and get the paid version, right? Another tool I absolutely love is Snapseed. Now, Snapseed is one of those tools that it's free and it helps me to like easily go in and edit my photos, right? So if I took a photo and I want to change the lighting and I want to change the brightness and the contrast and all of those things. I know I might be speaking a little language that you might not know for some of you guys, but pretty much if I want to improve the overall look of my photos, I can utilize Snapseed. Now with Snapseed, it is free and you can download it on your mobile device and utilize it. Another tool, or should I say a resource platform that I absolutely love, and it's great for your visual design, photo and video editing, tools. I wouldn't say tools, but pretty much for that type of work in building your online presence or growing your online presence, is Creative Market. Now, Creative Market is a marketplace where a lot of designers and creatives like myself sell their products, sell their digital products. And so these would include like, persons selling logos and selling fonts and selling Canva templates and selling Squarespace templates or website templates and selling templates for your email and selling templates for so many things. But pretty much Creative Market is that one-stop shop for getting your templates and getting everything that will help you to pull together your brand presence, your online presence, and just overall your business presence, right? So it's really good for finding resources and tools for creating and growing your online presence. I've linked all these awesome tools and resources below, and I've also outlined some of my favorite tools and resources that I utilize to build and grow a profitable online presence. So if you want that ultimate cheat sheet on how to grow your online presence this year with clarity and confidence, you can visit my website at careydigital.co. Guys, if you loved this video, if you love these resources, you can give me a thumbs up, you can comment below, and you can share. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.